Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Eternally Stunning. I hope you guys are doing good. So basically I was thinking like what are the ways we can minimize the wastage. So I've been doing certain things. Honestly, I'm not like able to follow them regularly on regular basis, but I do try to do them as much as possible. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. The first thing is this is basically a replacement for makeup removal wipes or for makeup removal cotton pads. So in the recent study, in the study done in 2017, it was found around 1.3 billion of wipes are being used each day, and 1.3 billion each day, and they all end up going into the water reservoir or in the landfill. So you can imagine the amount of waste that has been produced. In 2017, in the study done in UK, it was found out that as compared to the previous year, there was a 94% rise in the increase in wet wipes. And when we use our cotton balls, which we just use and throw them, 1 kg of cotton ball needs around 20,000 liters of water. The numbers are just unbelievable. When I studied about them, I was like, are they sure? Is it exactly 20,000 liters of water? And I was like so shocked, and then I thought that why shouldn't I make myself my own makeup removal cotton pad or wipes. So what I did is we almost everyone of us would be having a cotton t-shirt or something, some cotton dress or something. So what I did was I had this cotton t-shirt. This is a cotton material and it was old, so I thought that I'll use this one. And then so you will need 3 kind of fabrics for this. You may use of same color, but I choose to use of a different color just to make it little bit darker, because alone this shade is too light and it's too sheer. So with this it will make it a little darker in shade. So what I'll do is I will be using these 3 all together, and then I'm going to sew it. So I really don't know how to sew and I suck in it, but it's just like just a basic sewing that we'll need. And I mean, come on, we can do this much to save our planet. So you can just use them for once, and this I have tried to make. So you can just use them and then you can throw it in your laundry, and then you can like wash them with the clothes and you can dry them, and then they are ready to use again for the next day. So what we need to do, I'll just tell you guys quickly. I honestly I suck in this, so it's not that I want to teach you guys this, because I only don't know, but I'm just doing a simple thing so people who are like me can follow this method if you want, or maybe you can look at some YouTube videos how to sew. And then just taking it from here, and then it's a simple one, like really like starting from here and then taking it outside and then here. And you can also even cut it and cut these in round shape or in oval shape or in square or in rectangular, so whatever shape you are comfortable with. guys, now I hope you can see how I have come up with this. Um, so basically, three layers are important because it should be able to absorb. We want our makeup to get absorbed. If we are just going to take one layer or two layers, then it won't work that well. So it's important to have it some 2-3 layers within it. So I'm like really ashamed of showing you guys this because I suck in sewing, and then of course this is not a sewing class. So just if you guys know, then it's good. I think you guys can create a better designs or better patterns in this. But I guess you got the basic idea, and you can like wash them, as I said earlier. You can wash them and reuse them and keep reusing them by the time you want to. So this saves a lot of money, and this, more importantly, it saves our environment. Second thing I want to talk to you guys is about sheet face masks. In the study done in US in 2015, around 7.7 million waste was created just because of the use of these wet face masks. So what I did is, basically I have this cloth. Now the thing is that I've been using this cloth a lot because, see, firstly this is a cotton cloth. So make sure that you have something which is cotton, and take something which has which is like light and it's not like too heavy cloth. Those face masks are usually also contain cotton along with some other polyester and some other fibers. What they do is they basically absorb the serum. Basically it's a serum, so basically it absorbs a lot of serum, and then when we apply it, it transfers the rich ingredients to our skin. And so that is why I will suggest you guys should use something which is a light cloth. You know, it's like sheer kind of a cloth. It's not heavy, so that it should be good to transfer the uh, rich ingredients that we need for our skin. So I've already created one mask. Now what I did was I had this. I wanted to give it a border, so I kind of like tried to give it a pattern around the border. So it is not important uh, by sewing. So it's not really important. You may give border or you may not. That is not basically the purpose here. So I have this cloth, and then I'm going to cut it in the circular, like from here. I'll cut the edges and I'll make it circular like that of the face shape. And then once it is done, I'm going to make the eyes here. Folded it in half, and then around here eyes will come, and then I'm just going to like do a little like this. I folded it and I'm doing it like this, and so the eyes are made. So they're made in rhombus shape, but then it's okay. Yeah. So this is our, and then if you want, you can cut it in the circular shape. If you don't want, if you want to use it in rectangle, or if you want to like give it some design, you can do that also, like what I did here. So now we are done with our mask, like our sheet. Now for the serum, I'll suggest you to do is you can take some fruits like maybe orange or maybe some watermelon. Just need to like squeeze it. For example, if you've taken orange and you're just going to squeeze that orange, and whatever the juice will be there, just dip this one, like your sheet, in that juice for maybe around 5 minutes, and then you can take this sheet up, and then you can apply it and just like try to tap it and place it for 15 minutes on your face. So when you will be tapping it slowly, like make sure that you are doing like this. What I do is like this, and then tapping it all the way. So keep tapping it in between, so that whatever the ingredients are, that they will get absorbed in the skin when you will keep them tapping. Also, whenever you want to use it, make sure that you are like squeezing. For example, if you are using orange here, so you are squeezing the orange and then you are using it on the same day. Don't keep that orange juice for a long time. The fresh fruits will be having better if those which are like if you made the juice, and don't keep it for a long time. The constituents will react with oxygen and they'll get lost. So it's best to use the fresh fruits and use it on the same day. And the other benefit is they'll be preservative free. So what I've did here is I've taken some rice water. You can even do this. So while making rice, just take out some water and place it in refrigerator for around 5-6 hours, and then you have taken this mask and just dip your mask in it slowly for around 2-3 minutes. And once you are done with it, just squeeze this and open the mask. And just apply it for 15 minutes. Can't tell you guys, it feels so good, so relaxing, and it's cold, so it's kind of giving me a very like relaxing feel. So yeah, and in between, if you feel like you can keep dipping it again, I have still this much remaining, so I will keep dipping it and I'll keep applying it. So yeah, for around 15 minutes. So just keep doing this daily. It's a wonderful idea to use it. And then again, once you're done with one use, you can wash it and you can again reuse it. We can actually save a lot of like waste production. So please consider this. The third thing is, so the makeup brush cleaning shampoo. Taken some amount of water in this, and then I'll be adding some face wash, some just few drops, 3-4 drops, and almond oil. We're just using this. In this way, we will be able to mix oil and water all together. So you can see it is mixed and it has formed a homogeneous mass. And then I'm just dipping it in this. And now I've dipped it, and then I've dipped my brush in this. I can actually see some pink color already coming out. And I'll just bring it closer so you guys. Once this is done, wash off your brush with water. So using this will actually save the cost of shampoo, brush cleaning shampoo. So yeah, I hope these hacks you found them useful, and I request you guys to try to minimize the wastage as much as possible. So we ladies just love makeup a lot, but at the same time, it is creating a lot of lots and lots of waste. So just make sure that you are using as DIY hacks or as simple techniques to reduce the waste as much as possible. And if you guys do something else, reduce wastage to reduce waste, then just please comment down below what would you guys do, so we can all collaborate our ideas all together and we all can like do something better and provide something better to our community. So just give this a thought, and I hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please subscribe and please like the video, and thank you so much.